it's the 12th of July 2022, and we are on Rauhankatu 5, but the previous one is Rauhankatu 12 actually. They don't use the stake as I have or B here, but they're in the same residential building, but two different addresses. It's here in Lahti, Finland. It's built in 1999. It has to be early 1999. Turned 20 years old in 2019. This number is B1 and E 2668. It has least 8 versions of 69 grams. It's going to be inspected in 2024 when it will be 25 years old. It's got 7 floors. So the other one is better. It has 8 floors.
Yeah.
Otis doesn't VF. Otis doesn't pictures. Take two rights. Really nice pictures. Oh, that's the Otis logo for it. I love the sounds in here.
Yes,
Especially the whistling sound, and great that the flown guitar is so bright.
Yeah.
It's working well here.
Dit poikki väistytään, maintained by Crony.
Yes. And I like the vibrations here also. They were really nice too. Everything was nice, really nice.
That's